Hi and hello to everyone. Today we're going to watch about the modern interior design. So without any further ado, let's start with GETSTARTDESIGN. The modern design. The clean and crisp lines over your home designs will depict the modern style. The materials used in this type of designing are mostly the metal, glass and steel. This looks simple yet very beautiful. You will get a new and fresh look with the entire decor. This sleek and unique design of furniture can win over the heart of many people looking for a change. Elements in modern interior design. Number 1. Bold color contrasts or neutral with primary colors. Number 2. Plain area rugs or geometric pattern. Number 3. Open floor plans. Number 4. Natural materials such as unpainted wood, metals, leather, glass and natural fibers. Number 5. Furniture will be of clean lines with smooth and sleek surface. Number 6. Asymmetric design made with intention. Number 7. Getting an artistic look with accessories.
So that's it for today. If you want to learn more about interior design, just click the cards shown on upper right of the screen. If you like the video, comment, like and subscribe the channel to notified when we upload any video. Thanks for watching.